In real estate, listings without videos get less attention, but making professional videos usually takes hours or costs a fortune. Pedra changes that. In 1 minute, you turn property photos into stunning listing videos ready for portals, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. And I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to create them and a bunch of new features that you will love, such as voiceover and text overlays that you can add in your video in one click. First, let's head to Pedra. Here we have the images of our property, okay, and we're basically going to select the 5 of them, and we're gonna click on create video and choose landscape. Then here's a preview of the video that will be created, okay? The zoom in has not been applied yet, and that's why we see this small tag here, okay? And the effect that will be applied to each frame on the left, okay? And here we can add titles to each frame or a subtitle, for example, pool, to indicate that this is a pool, although it's quite obvious. And then a watermark, choose your transparency. The watermark could be your real estate agency's watermark, obviously, and you can apply it to all the frames so the copyright stays in place. And in the last frame, you can add your branding with the title of the property, call to action, such email me or call me, etc. Okay, and you can also add your picture to generate some trust or the business watermark, and also change the brand color of that frame. And for the background music, of course, to make them more engaging, we have sorted out some music tracks that you can add, and you can even create your own voice audio from text using AI, as we're doing now. I copy pasted the text from somewhere else that I had created before, and it sounds like this.
Welcome to your family's perfect New York home. This spacious flat combines modern comfort with family-friendly living.
And here's the preview again with the voice activated, and you can just click generate video, and as you can see, in 1 minute you can basically edit the video and click on generate, and then you're gonna have to wait a little bit more to obtain a result like this.
Welcome to your family's perfect New York home. This spacious flat combines modern comfort with family-friendly living, featuring 3 bright bedrooms, an open-plan kitchen and living area, and floor-to-ceiling windows. It offers plenty of space to grow and relax. Step outside to a private pool, a rare luxury in the city, ideal for summer afternoons and create.
Cool. Once you're happy with the result, you can basically click on the video to select it and edit it further, or download it so you can share it away in all the places and portals that you would like. And well, agents are using Pedra to stand out in crowded portals, look more professional to sellers, and expand their reach on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube without hiring an editor, which can be very expensive. You can try Pedra free today and start publishing videos that help you sell faster. Go to pedra.ai and you will be able to test it out. If you want some extra free credits, just reply and leave a comment on this YouTube video or send us an email.